Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a DOM. So what is this a DOM? DOM is like subdomain enumeration tool, fast and reliable Python script that makes active or a passive scan of the targeted domain to obtain subdomains and search for the open ports. So when you come to a passive mode, it uses OSINT techniques to obtain subdomains from the target. This mode will not make any connections to the target. So it is undetectable. So when you come to an active mode, which performs a brute force attack to obtain live subdomains. There are two types uh, of brute forces, like a pure brute force. It can check a subdomains from a targeted domain. It can check from A to Z, from alphabet A to Z. And word list based. We can also use a word list based like custom word list provider for the user using like a flag or word list. If no word list is specified, this mode won't be executed. So, main thing we would like to look here. What are the main features we can get here? Easy to use, just install the requirements.txt and run. Active and passive scan, faster and other subdomain enumeration, 7 different type of resolver name servers including Google, Cloudflare, fastest Quad9, Cisco, DNS, filename.txt. Use a custom list of resolver, one per line. Used to 21 different OSINT source. Subdomains obtained via OSINT are tested to know if they are alive only in active mode. Supports for webs that requires API token. Detects when API key is no longer working. Other tool just throw an error and stops a working. Wildcard detection and bypass. Custom port scanning and built-in parameters for a top 100 or top 1000 and top web ports. Colored and uncolored output for easy read. Windows and Python, it will be support and highly customizable through arguments, scan more than one domain simultaneously, and possibility to use a thread for a faster brute force scan, export output in different ways. Now, we would like to open the terminal. Now, let me just correct this. So, this is a DOM. Let me just copy, come back here. You just type git clone and paste the repository. DOM list minus L. Now, I would like to activate a virtual environment. Now, just type here as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. Now it was a install. Now just type here as a Python 3 dom.python. You just type here as minus help. Where I have got here. Now I would like to try it as a Python 2. Better, we would like to offer as a Python 3. We would like to consider here. No need to worry about that. Then we need to put here a mode for active or a passive. Then you need to insert a domain. Then apart from domain, you would like to get a passive record. Okay. Otherwise, scan when a subdomain is found, show the IP address too. Even we can find IP address also. Then if you don't want to do a no brute force, you need to mention. I would like to mention top 100, top 1000, top web ports, silent. Then we would like to provide here as a verbose. We would like to try here. Let me just type here as clear. Now, I would like to specify mode is a passive. Then domain for a hacker1.com. I would like to put here as verbose. That's it. Now let's come through here. Now we are running the passive mode. It may take uh, more lengthy time process also. We would like to look here. Now let's come back to us another one. I would like to install a virtual environment. Just type it as Python 3 dom.python, mode for a passive, domain for hackthebox.com. That's it. Now we would like to look here. What is the results we are getting here? So it may take lengthy time process to present all this. Okay, let's come back. So we can try as one more thing. We would like to try here Python 3 dom.python. We just type here as minus help. Now you can look here. It was getting the results, all these things. Okay, but it take a lengthy time process. Okay, now let's come back here. Now I would like to do here active mode plus a port scan. Now we would like to go back here. Uh, Mode for a active. Now I would like to utilize here as tryhackme.com. So I have made a mistake here. Domain as tryhackme.com. Now let's come back. Now we are getting here every useful information. Let's come back here. Let me just open new tab. List minus L as a word list. Okay. I would like to utilize here. Come back. Word list as top subdomains as a 5000 minus I is top web ports. I would like to get here as a web ports along with no passive. That's it. Now we can also look here. What's the results we can get here? Where 33 unique subdomains we have find. Hack the box, no IP, proxy academies, labs, hack the box, maintenance, SSO, all these things where we have identified. Okay, this is one thing. Another one where you have put here hacker one, where You can look here, crt.sh, all the information, 70 unique subdomains we have found. Even we can extract what else you have got the subdomains as the targeted IP address also. So where we have find here. Now we would like to try here. Python 3 dom.python -- help. So we can utilize this one. This is taking much time. Let's come back. So where we have seen all these things, so let me just write here as clear. Just you can utilize here. That's it. -I. So this will display with the targeted of IP addresses. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.